broccoli and all them something there, and cauliflower. Some people like it that with spring onion and little bit of a vegetables and all them thing there. Tomatoes, you don't know. Yeah. So if you're looking for something totally different, this goes on really well for you. Honestly, it's one of those kind of dish where you have to make at home sometime if you feel like something totally different. Oh yeah, look at that. You don't have to use any salt, to be honest with you. Just gonna put a pinch of sea salt. So we're gonna boil them off first. It doesn't take long to cook. They're very, very easy to cook, guys, to be honest with you. Alright. Well, that's such a... I share this with my audience. Show them how they can cook some gnocchi. Yeah. Yeah, it's a simple little recipe, but a lot of people make this dish all the time. So this is on, and I'm gonna get this medium-sized pot over this side. Alright, and I'm gonna put a little bit of oil into the frying pan. That's vegetable oil. So what I'm gonna do, I got some leftover vegetables. I'm gonna put that in there. That is some leftover tomato, spring onion, and white onion. Alright, so I'm going to show you what you need to do. I got some broccoli, cauliflower, already cooked, left over. Carrots, that's inside of it. See that? Yeah. Fry it up. Beautiful recipe. It doesn't need much stuff on this one because I'm already fried up and you know what I mean? Yeah. So just keep it simple. frying. So right here we have some tomato and basil sauce. We're gonna put that inside of it. Mix that around. See that? Just giving you guys a little bit of tips and ideas of things what you can also do at home. Switch it over so you guys can see. So this is it right here. It's cooking, and that's the way it look. All right. To be honest with you, is potato and flour. All right. So there's a lot going on right there, but yeah, that's why I'll mix it like this. Try one. Perfect. This is ready. So you can throw it, then pour it off that water. Yeah. And put it back over here. So we're not using the meat, we're using vegetables. Pour it in here. Mix it. See that? No meat inside of this, guys. That's vegetables only. Alright. So what you want to do? Try it and see, make sure it's alright. Perfect. Turn off the cooker. Some people have it with cheese and all this sort of stuff. I did it before like that, but I just keep it simple. All right. Yeah. So you guys can see, beautiful dish with a lot of vegetables. So if you feel for something different for the winter, this goes really well for you. Excellent. Hot. Turn off the cooker. Simple. I wasn't gonna cook so much, but I don't know why I did it. I should have just cooked a little bit. Alright. So that's the way it look. Excellent. So this is the book From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. All right, it's available on Amazon. Okay, all good vibes. So grab yourself a copy of this book and yeah, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right, all good vibes. Now with the gnocchi, I wanna say it's a very basic recipe. This one this evening from Chef Ricardo to you guys. All right, yeah. It's a pasta dish. So yeah, I just want to share that with you guys this evening. You don't have to make it, but if you feel for something totally different, then this goes for you. Big up every one of you who are supporting me. All right, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate the love 100%. Okay, so here we go with this beautiful gnocchi and vegetables with broccoli, cauliflower and carrot in tomato sauce. So you don't have to use cream sauce, you can use tomato sauce to make it with broccoli and all them something there and cauliflower. Some people like it that with spring onion and, you know, little bit of a vegetables and all them thing there, tomatoes. You don't know, yeah. So if you're looking for something totally different, this goes on really well for you. Honestly, it's one of those kind of dish where you have to make at home sometime if you feel like for something totally different. Oh yeah, look at that. That is amazing. That is fantastic. And remember to get yourself a copy of my book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. Now, if you guys want more recipe like this, please let me know. It is a gnocchi, is a pasta, is a all this thing make is pasta and potato and flour and potato. So you're gonna have to be careful there if you're a diabetic person, okay? But for me, I'm not a diabetic person, but I still mix it with vegetables to go on really well. Now, follow me for more tips on my YouTube channel, Chef Ricardo Cooking, and I can keep you guys updated because I got a part 2 recipe on this with jerk chicken. I want to make it with the jerk chicken and the cream sauce for you guys. So follow me up on that one. All right, that video will be coming out very soon. Also, good vibes. So thank you so much once again for watching, and I will keep you guys updated with more recipes and more ideas.
With such ease, jerk chicken sizzling loud, drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air, Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather around the fire tonight, taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art, feel the love in every part. Coconut rice, so divine, mango salsa, oh so fine. With every bite a happy sign, taste Jamaica and you'll fly.